Long Girl's got a surprise for you. Check this out. Hey there, baby. I brought you grapes. Hand-picked grapes. I brought you grapes. Yeah, here's the grapes. Can you get them? They're a treat, baby. So, this is one of the properties I mow. And this baby, fawn has been here. She's been chewing on some grass and things. Hi, baby. I brought you food. Look, you're just a baby, aren't you? Look. Oh. You can get them? Where they at? Here we go. There you go, baby. You like that? Ooh, I see all that juices. Yeah. There you go, baby. Okay. There's some more. Here. Right here. Here. Hi there, baby. Ooh, is it a good treat? I heard it was a good treat. Oh. Right here, baby. Oh, you're so precious. Romans 12:2. Ooh, it took that right out of my hand. Anyways, I mowed this lawn, and I can't mow this section here because she's been laying here since I got here. So I am a imperfect perfectionist, and I want to mow this so bad. I want to look at that. It's haven't been weed eated for 2 weeks. You want more? You want more? Come here. This is all I got left. Right here. You ready? Right here. Right here. Right here. There you go. There she goes. She's a pretty girl. Or maybe a pretty boy, I don't know. All right, baby. I'll bring you some more later.